Hello everyone, Install Easy here. Today we're going to show you how to quickly install Virtual DJ on your Windows operating system. Virtual DJ is a robust DJing software for mixing and playing digital audio and video tracks. Alright, let's get right to the install. Double click Microsoft Edge, type Virtual DJ, find it for us, Virtual DJ download. Do not click on anyone that says add. This is the official website here. Just click on it, and our operating system is Windows. Click on Windows, and it's downloading. Download Explorer right there. It's loading for us. Alright, we could run it from there. However, close this out. As always, go to File Explorer, click Downloads, and double click on the download. Alright, let's close this out here and just accept this. Click Install and give it a few. Click Yes for permissions and click Launch. And as you can see, this is Virtual DJ. We're going to move this over a little bit. As you can see, it created a desktop icon for us, and if you wanted to pin it here, just right click and click Pin to Text Bar, and it will always be there for you. Okay, that's all for Virtual DJ for today. Leave a comment on installs you would like to see on this channel. From the team here at Install Easy, see you next time.